Good morning, guys, and it is a very cool morning right now because it's going to get extremely hot later on, but I'm going to trade my GTR. I just got here and I have with me Stealthy RS.
Hello.
And today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be trading cars just to see what the differences are. If you guys know about the Focus RS, it is the rally superstar in Europe, and you know about Godzilla already. Let's take a look at the modifications done to the Ford Focus RS. And with the Ford Focus RS, it has a switch over here. It's not in the traditional area, so you press here. There it is.
The most obvious thing that's done to this car is the mount tune, cold air intake. We've got the AEM dry flow filter right there. It pokes right out at you. We got this mount tune intercooler. They painted their logo on in the nitrous blue color. The next thing that we have is the Velocitec big mouth intake.
Is that an air ram?
Yes, sir.
So that rams air from here all the way up to the intake right here.
And then we have a preservative measure for any turbocharged car that you should have. We have the dual catch can system. We have the mount tune breather plate.
Dual catch can system.
Yes, sir.
So there's one here, and where's the other one?
The other one's back here behind the intake.
The second one is right here.
We have the full charge pipe system underneath, and then we have the whole car ceramic coated.
What color is this?
That is considered stealth gray.
This is stealth gray. I'm used to seeing the, what is it, the nitrous blue?
Nitrous blue, yes.
Okay. Yeah, I'm used to seeing those around, but this is a new color. I haven't seen this one yet.
I believe this is the most rare color that they produce the RS in.
So this is a rare color, that's why. Is there anything else?
That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
All right, cool. Let's take a look at the GTR. And if you guys have been on my channel, you guys know that my GTR has a mid-pipe and exhaust system. So it's pretty straightforward. So that's it for the introductions. Now it's time to get a ride in the GTR.
What's the 0 to 60 time on this?
0 to 60 is under 3 seconds.
Oh my God. It's crazy. Even at low speeds, you can feel the torque in this car. So far this car has been nothing like it's been in before. I haven't really done a pull in it yet, but instantly you can feel the torque, and I believe we're doing a little pull right now, and it definitely puts you back in your seat. It pulls.
I'm going to be showing Stealthy RS 0 to 60 in a GTR. Does it?
Yeah. It puts you back in your seat.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to the Focus RS's launch control also.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay. Now we're done with Godzilla, and it's time to get in the Focus RS.
So right away we're going to turn it into track mode. We don't want the stiff suspension on because you're going to lose your teeth.
Wow, okay. We're not going to be rallying today is what he meant. You can definitely tell that it's much quieter than the GTR.
So just for a reference, this is going to be a 20 rumble.
Yeah, it pulls really good. It pulls really good. It's torquey down low too, and that's probably due to the 2.3 liter displacement.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not like a 2 liter where it's not as torquey.
So to the wheels, I should be making about 420 wheel.
420?
A 420 torque.
Okay, 420 torque. And what's the horsepower?
Right around 400.
400.
I haven't dynoed it yet, but it should be right around that range,
okay,
based on what other people are getting.
Okay. And it revs to
6,500.
6,500. And stock boost is what?
Stock is about 25. Right now I'm running 28.
This thing came out in 2015, correct?
2016.
2016, okay.
So they made it in 2016, 17, and then they did a limited edition kind of last run in 2018.
Okay. So there's no more Focus RSs?
That's correct. Okay. For now. So Ford actually announced that they're not going to be doing no more of the sedans. They're not building any more Tauruses, Focus, Fusions, nothing. introducing is the Mustang.
The Mustang. And the Mustang is a crowd pleaser. That's probably why. Okay, so this will be my first time experiencing launch control in a Ford Focus RS. Let's see if it's the same as a Nissan GTR.
That was 60.
It definitely puts you back in the rear of your seats. Wow. It's
a little unexpected.
Yeah, it's unexpected because it's a 4-cylinder. I'm surprised how responsive this 2.3 is with the turbo. Ford did it right by using this combination. I was expecting more of a laggy setup, but it's actually really responsive. And that's it for the ride-alongs with the GTR and the Focus RS. Now, what would you purchase between the Focus RS and the GTR? They're both very similar. The Focus RS is more livable than the GTR. I mean, the GTR is super loud and it has stiff suspension. The Focus RS, much more comfortable, and the launch, man, that launch is pretty good also. I'd like to thank Stealthy RS for this ride.
Thank you for coming
And
along.
please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.